I'm Lauren Smith from LS Trader. Today I will share information with you about the history of spread betting. You may want to first visit our website LS Trader at www.lstrader.co.uk for more information about spread betting and other topics. The history of spread betting began in the 1970s with gold. Back then, there were many restrictions on trading gold. For example, to invest and trade in gold, you had to have significantly large amounts of capital. There was a small, distinct group of men who were able to trade gold consistently because they had the amount of capital necessary. In other words, one had to be part of this elite group in order to trade. The fact that one needed a large capital outlay really limited the people who could invest. An ever-watchful banker named Stuart Wheeler noticed this pattern of who could invest. He strongly felt that all people should be able to trade and invest gold, but he soon realized that others did not have the capital. Therefore, he started spread betting. Wheeler worked closely with the men who set the prices of gold and began to predict what the future price of gold would be. He set a high price and a low price, and this was the beginning of a spread. Wheeler took the spread to others, mainly his friends. He focused on sharing spread betting with those who could not afford to participate in the actual trading and investing. His friends would then bet on the spread. They would bet on the high number if they believed the price of gold would increase, and they would bet on the low number if they thought the price would decrease. Wheeler hit the jackpot with this idea. His friends could not get enough, and shortly, more and more people were spread betting with Wheeler's spreads. This led him to start his own company, now known as IG Index. IG stands for Investors Gold. Over the next 10 years, other spread betting companies were established, and spread betting began to occur on other stock market indices as well. In the 1980s, Wheeler realized that spread betting companies, including his own, were making money minute by minute. However, when he investigated who was spread betting, he noticed it was still a select group of people. He decided to attempt to include more of the general public in financial spread betting, but he faced a huge challenge. The challenge was how to communicate with people and explain the options of making money using stock market options. Thankfully, the resolution to his problem was just around the corner. The internet was the answer to Wheeler's problems. With the launch of the internet in the 1990s, this enabled spread betting companies to communicate the potential to make money for ordinary, everyday people. The internet did two things to revolutionize financial spread betting. First, it offered a way to explain exactly what spread betting is and how an investor makes money on a spread. Up to this point, the general public stayed with traditional investing because that was what they knew. However, the internet soon shared a lot of information about spread betting, including the basics of spread betting and how to make money. The second thing the internet did was that it provided a way for spread betting companies to offer spreads to the general public. The internet allowed customers to see current spreads and make wagers based on these spreads. This allowed for a greater amount of people participating in spread betting. As more and more people purchased home computers and connected them to the internet, the rate of spread betting increased at a phenomenal rate. For the first time ever, the general public were able to participate in a type of investing and have the potential to make money. As a result of more people spread betting, companies soon began to extend the spread to other markets. By the end of the 1990s, spread bets were available on almost every stock market index. This included interest rates, commodities, and bonds. Even sports spread betting was launched as a result of the internet. Thanks for watching today. I hope you now have a good understanding of how spread betting began. If you want more information on anything related to financial spread betting, remember to visit our website at www.lstrader.co.uk. See you next time.